In this video, I will show you brightness and contrast image adjustment in Adobe Photoshop. So let's dive into this. I have opened this image which I have collected from Pixabay. So I am going to adjustment image, then adjustment, and this is brightness and contrast. After accessing this, you can see here is the dialog box. This is brightness and this is contrast. So you can already notice that this image has darkened part and this looks darker. So I am increasing the brightness value from this brightness and contrast dialog box. So this is the value. You can see the image is now, this is much more better than previous, but the action from the image adjustment brightness contrast, this is fixed. It will not be, you cannot be altered this action again. So I am undoing this and you can see this is after and this is before. Also you can same adjustment you can access from the layer menu, then new adjustment layer, and this is brightness and contrast. So if you select this, now you have the, you can see that brightness contrast image adjustment as a layer, as a new layer has been created, and this is brightness and contrast. Now if you increase the brightness value, you can see 50%, then you can easily turn off this visibility and see the before and after, and you can see that image is much more better now. You can easily, this is non-destructive process of work, and if you access this, you can work this from here. This will be destructive process of work. Also I am now making it 0. So also you can see there is another slider. This is contrast. Contrast means if I increase this, you can see that dark part is more darker, became more darker, and light part is lighter part is more lighter than before. I would like to show you. You can see lighter is more light and darker is more dark. That means the image contrast has been increased. So that was for brightness and contrast image adjustment inside Photoshop. So if you like this tutorial, please subscribe this channel. Keep editing.